Krzanich is meeting with President Donald Trump, and the chip giant just making some news here. Krzanich is saying that Intel will invest $7 billion in an Arizona semiconductor factory. Krzanich saying that this factory is going to employ some 3,000 people at its peak. We don't know what kind of chips they'll be making there, but some interesting timing here, of course. Krzanich, like every tech CEO, would like to have a friend in the White House, given the range of issues before the chip giant. There is some interesting tension there as Krzanich meets with Trump. You know, Intel employees were no big fans of Trump during the campaign. For every $1 that Intel employees gave Trump, they gave about $13 to Clinton, so pretty lopsided, though we should mention that was actually less lopsided than tech overall. But again, the headline here, Krzanich saying Intel will invest $7 billion in this Arizona semiconductor factory, that the factory will employ 3,000 people at its peak. And remember, Intel's Analyst Day is tomorrow. I know financial analysts are certainly going to have a lot of questions for Intel's executive about dynamics in the PC market, growth in the data center, but now it sounds like they could have a few more. Guys, back to you.
Yeah, and Josh, is there any sense as to whether or not this is new money being deployed for a factory here in the U.S. or what they will be manufacturing? Because there was some talk about internal manufacturing in modems.
No, so we don't know that yet.
Okay.
The only headlines we have here, Michelle, is that they're investing this money as a semiconductor factory. But you're right. At this point, no more color on what kinds of chips they're going to be making there.
Well, guys, let's not forget, though, just to jump in here, that back in January of 2014, this is good news. Back in January 2014, Intel, which had already planned to open up another semiconductor factory in Chandler, Arizona, mothballed the factory. So they had planned to open up a new one. They said really demand didn't really meet it. They could aggregate the demand and the manufacturing capacity at other plants. So I wonder if this is the previously planned and thus mothballed factory called Fab 42, because they have another factory and a chip plant close by in Chandler, Arizona. So this could be an entirely brand new plant, or it could be Intel saying that there's enough demand to unmothball the previously built plant.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.